Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus, delivered 2022 Ford Puma, stopped on the 6488. This ran from the 3rd 2020 to the current shape. It has a CDC 1.7 1 litre turbo 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CDC 1.7 1 litre turbo 3-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left front door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,